Hello friends, I am Uday Sagar Kantpal and I am back here with yet another lecture on Java using Netbeans IDE. So the topic for today is the knapsack problem. The 01 knapsack problem is about choosing as many items from a given items who have a weight and a value. So for a fixed weight item, we are given a particular weight of the bag which we need to carry the items in. So there are n items present, and from that we have to choose some items so that the sum of the weights does not exceed the given capacity of the bag and the value of each item is maximized. So let's start, but before that I would like to ask my new viewers to please subscribe to my channel and please like my videos on YouTube. Please comment and share and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you. So let's start. So new knapsack DP, since we are using a dynamic programming. Now let's define a function knapsack dynamic programming or knapsack DP public static int knapsack. So let's name it knapsack DP as we are using dynamic programming, and let's use some of the variables. So int values or the values of the knapsack, int weight or the weights of the knapsack, and int maximum weight. So let's define the number of items here. Int n equal to values dot length. Now if n equals to or say n smaller than equals to 0 or maximum weight is smaller than equals to 0, then we need to return 0. That means if there are no items to be selected or the maximum weight is 0, we cannot select any of the items. After that we need to create an array which is known as the DP array. We generally name the DP array as the DP array itself. In DP array equals to new int. Now it would be equal to n plus 1 for 0 to n and w or say maximum weight plus 1. So now we need to start our iterations. For int I equals to 1, I smaller than equals to n, I plus plus. So for each item we are calculating the possibilities, and the next loop would be for int j equals to 1 to maximum weight. So that would be the second loop. Now we will have to write in the following statements the logic for the knapsack. So we have created two loops. Now the second loops will be having if weights of I ith item minus 1 greater than j, that means 1, 2, 3 or whatever be the maximum weight at that time. So we will put dp of I j as dp of I minus 1. Case would become dp of ij is equal to mat.max dp of I minus 1j, that means the previous array, previous dp value and the weight of the remaining weight, that means the j minus weights of I minus 1 plus the value of that particular I minus 1th object. So now we just have to return dp of n maximum weight. So this looks complete. Now we have to implement this. So let's create a main function psvm. Let's create some values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we have created values. Let's create the weight. So let's create the weights as again 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So let's define the maximum weight as 100. And now let's calculate the knapsack EP using values, weights and maximum weight. Let's run the code. So it is displaying 100. So now let's change the value of the values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's run it again. So the value is 10. So 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 10. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. That is why it is displaying this. We can also have some different values 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, and the same values for the weights. Let's run it. It is displaying 170. So 90 plus 70 plus 10 is the selection, since 10 plus 70 is 80 and then 90 is 170 from the values array, and 10 plus 40 plus 50 is 100. That's why it has chosen the 0th element, or the first element we can say, and the last two elements. So that's why it's saying 170. So our DP array is displaying correct answers. We are able to select the maximum value while limiting our arrays to the maximum weight. So hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.